I'll say any name randomly, and you need to talk about that particular thing for 1 minute. You, the word is. If you like my videos, my work, so please like, subscribe, and share. And hi, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm pretty well. What about you?
I'm also good. Okay, Amit, so I would like to know about you. So could you please introduce yourself?
Sure, ma'am. Okay, well, if I talk about myself, so I'm speaking Amit Kumar from Bihar, northern side of our country. And well, if I talk about my study plans, so still I'm a student right now. I'm pursuing diploma from government college. But I hope you would be know about this problem. Due to this pandemic, I'm totally stuck at my home because of this only pandemic. So
Yeah.
this was all about my introduction, brief introduction about myself. If you have any kind of more query to me, so ma'am, definitely you can ask me.
No, I'm not an income tax officer, so I'm not going to
Willing
interrogate
to
you.
ask many questions. I was really eager to talk with you. Before 2 and 3 days, I was watching your video, and literally I was thinking, oh, when I will get a time to talk with you, because your way of speaking, your way of explanation is totally fantastic.
Oh
I
my
can't
God.
say anything in a 2 and 3 words about your expression, about your concept, which way you talk to your subscriber, your students. That's why these things, inspired a lot. That's why I came to you here to talk with you. Otherwise, I don't have any type of plan to talk with you. Because also, I have another friends to talk to them. But after watching your video, literally, I got fallen down to talk
Okay.
with you. Yes.
Okay, so I compelled you that you had thought in your mind that I should have talked with this girl or this lady. I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, that thoughts, came in my mind.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you for the message me and join me because I am also enjoying talking to you. You are like a funny guy. I mean, uh, whenever you know.
Vagish person. You can tell me Vagish person. Mostly I like to fun with my friends and my relatives.
Yes, yes, yes. I also like those
Yeah.
people who don't take things very seriously and at least they have a
Yeah.
smile on their face. So it is easy for me to communicate with them, right?
Yes. Because this is also part of our life. If
Yes,
we will not maintain our smiley, maintain our, mm, good ways, so it is not possible to care about each and every people's. So
yes,
this is the main things I have to maintain.
yes, yes. You're right. You're right. You're right. So, okay. Okay. So you, according to, I mean, so far we have talked and on the basis of things I have perception for you that you don't believe any kind of plan in your life. You like
Yes.
random things, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So, so I would like to ask you one question that what what do you want to become in your life? I mean, or goals in terms of goals?
To be honest, it was really no tough question for me because earlier I have told you I never tried to make a plan before doing any kind of work. But here you asked me related to my life. What should I
Hmm.
do first to become a great person? So firstly, this is the first dream of my life. As soon as possible, I will complete my education. I will try to get a job. First things, because the condition of my family is not up to the mark. So this is the first responsibility of my side, of my parents' side, to get a job, to manage my family background. What is the condition of my family? This is the first thing. And second things, I want to go to abroad to make a money on the purpose of on the make a money. Otherwise, I will not go to, most of people goes to pursue their education, but I am not going. I will not go there as a a student. I will go there as a job person, employer. If I talk about my strategies, so these things I have met already. I have to do these things according to my life because nowadays I am facing a lot of things about my family background. These are the things. That's why I am very upset person to know each and every condition of my family because I am the eldest one in my family, and everybody depends on me. Amit, definitely, Amit, he will do something for our generation, for our family. So that is the things, major things, which which motivate me to go there to do something special work.
Okay, so your family members have a lots of expectations from you.
Definitely.
You
Yeah,
have to
definitely.
fulfill,
There are so many expectations from my side.
and you have to fulfill all those things. You don't
Surely,
have.
because this is the 100% responsibility of my side as a human being, as a son of my father, as a son of my mother, to fulfill his and her dream, whatever they have thought.
Yes, yes. I like very much that you are very responsible person, because in your age, majority of people, they don't have that kind of responsibility. Even they don't have that kind of sense, they so that they can realize about things. But you are very sure about your life, about your job, about your goals. So it is good to hear. I really like it. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for understanding me, ma'am.
yeah, Amit. Okay, Amit. So if you have any topic, just so please tell me. So I would love to talk on that topic.
To be honest, ma'am, I don't have any kind of randomly topic in my mind. But mostly what I do for my communication, just I try to play a
Okay.
role to each other, just like customer, shopkeeper, doctor, patient. These are the things
Okay.
which we have to practice with my friends. Whatever I
Okay.
have a friend to enhance my communication. So these are the things which I do.
Okay.
But apart from talking, because
Yes.
in my previous time, I have done a lot of topic. That's why I never ever try to think to talk as a same topic. So
Okay.
it is a quite boring for me.
Yes. Yes.
So I never try to prefer to talk any kind of on topic.
Okay.
Usually I talk like any kind of things randomly way. Just talk to me like about yourself, about your lifestyle. These are the things I do every day. But here you are going to tell me let's go and talk on that any kind of topic. It is quite boring for me because it has been around 1 month to having conversation with someone else on a particular topic.
Okay, okay. So it is quite
But
boring
as you wish.
practices you feel, practice you feel. So I have one interesting practice for you if you are ready. So I would like to tell you about that. We have
Sure, why not, ma'am?
approximately
Definitely.
5 minutes. Okay. So,
Oh, oh.
okay. So this is kind of funny game. I'll say any name randomly, and you need to talk about that particular thing for 1 minute without
Okay.
topic. Okay? Are you ready?
Okay. I think, yeah, definitely I am ready and as well as I'm very excited to do some
Okay.
fun.
Okay. Okay. So I'm going to give you the word is uh, uh, washing machine.
Washing machine, yeah. If I talk about washing machine, it is a totally kind of electronic machine. And with the help of this machine, we need to wash our clothes, wash our kind of any kind of clothes. And it is very useful for this generation because most of people are going to very selfish to do any kind of hard work. So these things, this machine is going to helpful for our life to sort our life. So I will tell this is a good thing for all those people who are very lazy. They doesn't try to do any kind of hard work. So and also I accept these things this because I will as per my concern, as per my aspiration, this is a good thing because they are very useful apart from doing any kind of hard work by hand by physical way. So this is my thought about this machine, man.
Yes, amazing, amazing. So, do you find interesting or not?
Yeah, it was really fantastic and interesting because I am feeling like a fun. I don't have any kind of nervousness to talk with you. Just like frankly, we are talking. I don't. You can see on my face, I have no any kind of doubt and expression like that, where I can get easily,
Yes, yes,
expressions, bad expression, talk with you. So now, as per your schedule, now it's my turn to tell about any
yes,
kind of
yes.
small
Please
rules.
give me a simple topic. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I'm scared
So
because
yeah, actually, to be honest, I'm also doing this first time. Okay, so it is
oh,
also quite, scared for me. Okay,
okay,
let's go and manage it.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
tell me about smile because nowadays, since starting your, conversation, you have been maintaining your smiling on your face. So tell me something secret about a smile.
So rather than telling something, I would like to have a big smile for whole 1 minute. It is quite hilarious. I'm so sorry. So yes, smile is for me a very important ornament for everyone, not only for girls, boys also. If you have a little smile on your face, so it is very easy to communicate with people, and with a small smile, you can make a day for another person. You can make other person comfortable. In terms of like speaking English, there are many people who feel hesitate, who feel nervousness while conversation with a stranger. But when someone comes to me, so even they feel some kind of nervousness or hesitation. But once I start talking with them, and I with a smile, so I feel that people feel calm. People feel that they are talking with one of their friend, and they feel free, and they can talk anything. They can open their heart in front of me. They can say anything. So this is one thing I find very beautiful about my smile, and I feel proud that I have smile, and with this smile, I can make people comfortable during speaking English. Is it 1 minute?
Okay, well, it is a secret of your smile. Why do you maintain your smile on your face? This is the secret. And finally, I got your secret. And I hope I
Okay,
will try
yeah,
to also maintain this kind of smile on my face while making a conversation with someone else. So
yeah.
wow, interesting
Yes.
things. And really, I got such a kind of amazing information from your side about smile things.
Thank you, thank you. I mean, it is lovely. I mean, I really enjoyed a lot this activity. I should make a video that how can we make a learning English learning playful, and how, what are the practices we can do, and we don't feel like, oh, this is very bored. This is not interesting anymore. Right? This is, I think, interesting that we can just
Yeah,
pick
it is
one word.
totally interesting.
Yes, yes, and we can give like weird word like for the first time. This is second time I'm trying this activity, this practices. First time, person with I talked, I gave him pressure cooker. The word pressure cooker, and he told me that, oh ma'am, I don't make food in kitchen, I don't work in kitchen, I don't know how, what are the things I need to say. Then I told him that, say anything, anything, you are engineer, you can say so many things about
Wow.
pressure cooker. Right? So yeah, it is hilarious, it is hilarious. Yeah, Amit. So Amit, now I need to wrap up the session. And now this is the time to say bye bye, Tata. But I really don't want to do that. You are such a good guy, I must say. Yeah.
Really, I'm feeling very comfortable, very energetic after talking to you. Such a good speaker, as far as my concern, because we have been talking last 20 minutes.
Oh, and
So
we
according
don't
to me, so
realize.
really,
Yeah, 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 please.
yeah. So it was really, fruitful conversation for with you, ma'am. And again, I would like to wish you to connect with you as much as possible.
Okay, Amit.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Same here, Amit. Bye bye.